Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here.
Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. I am Priscy XOXO. If you're new here, hi and welcome. I hope you do like it here and become part of my family. If you're returning, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming back. So today is a Sunday and we're back from church, and I'm opening a new vlog today. So it was a beautiful Sunday. Our pastors that retired about 5 years ago, they visited us today, and I was so happy. They actually came yesterday. We had a ladies meeting with Mama Ruti, and it was like really a blessing having them back. I was so happy and blessed, and also with the way that was shared today. They spoke about love, and you guys, there is so much that we learned about it. So I just want to quickly make lunch. There's somebody that is working in my kitchen. I'm adding a stone on this other part of the kitchen on my scullery side, so that's what they are doing. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to cook with you, or maybe I'll cook with you later on when he is done. So I'm just here to open this vlog, and I thank you so much guys for your support that you continue to show our channel. We are growing, and I really appreciate each one of you. So please don't forget to like, comment and share so that we can grow even bigger. So let me not talk much and get and go and prepare something, and yeah, and see how this vlog takes us. I've got a lot of things that I need to do, so let me not mumble. I'll chat with you later on.
Imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night, and a shooting star so vibrant. You have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, nothing but blue skies, a totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it right the very first time. It could be the best of days, it could be the best of times. Why do we need the troubles? Why? Why do we need the troubles? Why? Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, instead I'm thinking of strangers, I'm thinking of haters, I'm thinking of laying down for a nap right here on the pavement. I'm thinking of payday, worried I won't make it. First I think of a delicate thing, and then of a break it. I'm thinking of habits, yeah, all of the bad bits. Wish there was a sequel, not to the good parts, and I could have it. But mama says bad days are necessary. The only way to notice a good day, and I but I'm hoping for good days. Seductive when you look at me that way. Irresistible, but I try. Hypnotic, making you wait is so erotic. Perks, and I want you to want me, yeah, yeah. I want you to crave me. As tension is building, yeah, yeah. And driving us crazy. I powerful sex appeal, but we play it cool. Touch, push and pull, that friction so sensual. Clutch, draw me in when you handle me that way. Where you've been all my life, just play by the rules. Baby, hold out until it's too much. And I want you to want me, yeah, yeah. I want you to crave me. As tension is building, yeah, yeah. And driving us crazy. Alone, give me that, give me magnetic, infectious, persuasive, contagious, demure, obscure. I long for a lord. Magnetic, infectious, persuasive, so contagious, demure, obscure. I long for driving us crazy. Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here. There's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want. Come on, spit it all out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's minds. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Everybody smoking. Boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about your job. Tell me things like how you hate to walk in dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, we're too of a kind. There's a reason we're here. There's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. that's something that just rocks my world. I get up and feel like we are meant to be. The way you're talking to me, oh, oh. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want. Come on, spit it all out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's mind. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Oh.
Until we get kicked out. Until we get kicked out. Until we get kicked out.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now.